Hey guys, welcome back to Twoguysfinance, and today we are putting Elicit AI and Cramly AI head-to-head in 2025. Both of them are AI tools that are designed to boost productivity and learning, but they serve very different purposes. So which one should you pick? Let's break it down. We'll look at their main focus. Elicit AI focuses on research and productivity, while Cramly AI helps as a study help and helps with your learning speed. Technically focuses on study help and learning speed. When you look at their ease of use, Elicit AI has a dashboard for researchers and analysts, while Cramly AI has a simple question answer and tutoring interface. When we look at the AI strengths, Elicit AI has literature reviews, summarization, and data extraction, while Cramly AI generates practice questions, explanations, and tutoring. When we look at their pricing, Elicit AI has free basic plan plus premium plan, while Cramly AI is subscription based. When we look at who they are best for, Elicit AI is best for students, analysts, and academic researchers, while Cramly AI is best for students, examination preparation, and fast learners. Then lastly, let's look at the output. What do you expect? Well, what you can expect from Elicit AI is reports and structured insights. That's the output styles it gives to you. While Cramly AI gives you flashcards, answers, and bite-sized learning. In conclusion, Elicit AI is like a professional research assistant. It scans papers, extracts data, and organizes insights. Cramly AI, however, is more like a personal tutor. It helps you study faster with practice questions, flashcards, and direct explanations. So if you need smarter research and data-driven productivity, go with Elicit AI. But if you want to study faster and ace your exams, then Cramly AI is the way to go. So which one would you choose in 2025? Let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more smart comparisons right here.